Welcome to John Bosco Institute of Technology, Abuja, where innovation meets skill development. Nestled in the heart of Kubwa, our serene and modern environment serves as a beacon of hope for the youth, transforming dreams into reality through practical, hands-on education. Every day at Jobitech is full of energy and excitement. From interactive classrooms to fully equipped workshops, students are learning by doing, gaining skills that make them stand out in the real world.
My name is Reverend Father Mark Anthony Opala, the Training Director of John Bosco Institute of Technology, Abuja. John Bosco Institute of Technology is a Catholic institution that aims at youth empowerment. Here we give holistic formation. Our education aims at offering holistic education. Besides this, we believe that everyone should have a skill, and so it is one of our aims to ensure that everyone's skill is developed and sharpened to be relevant for the labor market. And we also give preferential option to young girls. So in this school, we make provision for 60% of trainees to be girls from all walks of life, from all backgrounds.
Our institute stands out for its commitment to excellence, fostering innovation and bridging the gap between education and employment. Here, students are equipped with technical skills, creative thinking, and the ability to adapt to a rapidly changing world. We take pride in our diverse departments, groundbreaking facilities, and a curriculum tailored to industrial demands.
Our school is not for Christians and Catholics. Everybody, Muslims, are allowed to come. We have 3 months training, we have 6 months training, and we have 18 months training. There are 6 departments in the school: building and construction, electrical installation and solar, cosmetology, computer technology, fashion and tailoring, cosmetology, and hairdressing.
Our diverse programs cater to a wide range of interests and career paths. Fashion design,
My name is Uloma Ezike. I'm the HOD Fashion and Designing Department, where we teach the beginner students on how to thread the machine, how to sew, how to do simple tasks, and how to do their basic patterns and all that. And we have the intermediate class where we do the streetwears, the bustiers, corset, and all that. And we also have the advanced class.
hair making and cosmetology,
My name is Okukeze Chinenye. In Cosmetology and Hairdressing Department, it comprises of 4 skills. We have a barbering section, we have the spa section, we have nail tech, and also we have the makeup section.
Before now, I never had any knowledge on barbing, and same as massage, spa, and the rest. But now I can proudly say I know some skills, very vital skills, and especially in the part of the barbing and in the massage section. And also, I've also learned so many skills in the hairstyling that I never knew existed. And I'm really enjoying it here.
learned so far about the department. I've learned how to fix nails, barb hair, and hairdressing, and spa, that's massage. The experience is moving, it's so nice and great.
Catering and Hospitality.
My name is Chinwe Lokyo Kando. I am an instructor in Catering and Hospitality Department here in Jobitech Abuja. We offer trainings on catering and hospitality management. And in catering department, we have different sessions. We have the pastry sessions, we have the continental, the intercontinental, the national, that's the local food. We have the cocktail, then we have the management aspect of the job, where the person gets to learn about how to manage a kitchen, manage a restaurant, manage a hotel, manage a hospitality industry. This is one of the products we made this morning. This one is called scone. It's an English biscuit. Commonly, you can serve it with strawberry jam or whipping cream. It's freshly baked by the students this morning. Then we have in the oven cinnamon roll. It's still baking. Get the cinnamon roll.
Ever since I started, it has been a very wonderful journey. I've learned a whole lot, and the way I view my kitchen, the way I view things like around my home since I came here has been really, really different. It's a wonderful opportunity to be in Jobitech, and I'm really glad I came.
Solar and electrical installation.
My name is Kavem Yom Joseph. I'm the HOD of Electrical and Solar Technology Department here in Jobitech. In this department, we carry out electrical, both domestic and industrial installation. We also carry out solar installation. And as you can see behind me, these are our students carrying out their solar practicals. We are very professional here. We instill core values of discipline and skill acquisition in our students. In Jobitech, you are sure of getting the best when it comes to electrical and solar installation. Here is some of the work of our students. As you can see here, it's a 5 kVA solar system installed here. And this can be perfectly replicated in our various homes with the help of graduates or trainees from this institute.
I've had experiences in the solar system and in the electrical. In the area of the solar, I've been able to learn a lot in the area of battery sizing and the determination of number of panels to be used in a particular system. And I've been able to know how to determine my inverter size. And in the area of electrical, I've been able to understand how electrical works in a housing system, how to do conduit wiring, how to do surface wiring, and troubleshooting in a housing system.
Building and construction.
I am Muazu Ibrahim at Jobitech. This is building construction department, which is comprising of many sects of many divisions of trades: masonry, plumbing, as well as tiling. So in building construction, these are the 3 courses that we normally carry out.
ICT and multimedia production.
My name is Chinedu Vitalis Moye. I am the head of department ICT. We offer various courses ranging from the networking, the hardware engineering, programming languages, and web design, where we equally offer cybersecurity and a host of other computer-related courses. And to make it more of an international relation, we have a partnership with international organizations like Cisco. As it is, we are a Cisco certified center, which means people can come in and register and take their Cisco certification courses.
My experience so far has been really, really good. I came here without the basics of computer. All I knew was a little bit of Microsoft, but when I got here, I've been able to learn a number of things, computer hardware and software basics, a little bit of web development, also networking, which I particularly love.
Every department is a gateway to endless opportunities.
Nudofia, the Job Service Officer for John Bosco Institute of Technology, Abuja. My role here is to facilitate cooperation between industry and the school, whereby I look out for company where our school can collaborate with in the terms of the area of training we offer. So we can send our students there for IT and for potential job placement when they are done with their training. So I equally facilitate what is being taught here in our school is relevant to the industry. Our students are going for their IT and for job potential. So we look forward for partners to collaborate with us for internship and for possible job placement for our students.
We welcome you to Jobitech. We expect you to come at Jobitech, and we shall develop your skill so that you will be employable and you will be relevant to Nigerian labor market and beyond.
Contact us at number 1 Don Bosco Avenue off St. John Meriviani Crescent, extension 3, Kubwa, 901101, Abuja. Email jobitechabuja22@gmail.com, www.jobitechabuja.org, +234 9161 35 8937.